Hey, what are you doing?
I'm practicing my Oscars, red carpet wave. Can't you see? So many paparazzis are here. People are cheering for me. They love my outfit and my makeup and my look. So I'm just waving to them.
Yeah, I can see. But what we gonna do today? आज क्या करना है?
Today I'm gonna show you the awards that I've already received. Have you seen them?
Not yet.
Then what are you waiting for? Come with me.
Get down.
So guys, as you all know, I have been working and participating in creative arts since a very young age, and fortunately I have received some good awards that I would love to share with you. So I'm going to start with this one. So this is my first ever award. I was, I think, 8 years old when I got this, and I won my first ever dance competition, I remember. And it's just really close to my heart because this is my first ever award. So this next award is also very close to my heart because this is from my school. So this I got end of the year when I was Prime Minister. They gave me this award because I was I was balancing my work and my council, school, everything together. So they gave me this award for being a very good Prime Minister. So I'm really humbled. I used to be External Affairs Minister also. I have another award for that as well. This one was for External Affairs Minister.
Wow.
It was very cool. That was a different post altogether. This was easier because I had particular duties. Prime Minister was like, so many people were under me, so I was like, oh, this is a big responsibility. So that was cool. All of these awards are from Balveer, the show that I did for about 4 years. We did 1111 episodes. But this award is a very special award because Balveer is one of those projects that really made me very famous, and a lot of people started recognizing me from Balveer, and we did this show for 4 years. So it was like not only a serial for me, it was like family, and like set had become my second home. And I was in 5th standard when I started the show. When the show ended, I was in 9th standard. So I went from being a kid to a teenager. So it was a very beautiful journey, and this was from Sabke Anokhe Awards 2015. And yeah, it's like a memory, This show is always going to be very close to my heart. I just remembered there's this very funny but very serious story behind this award. So it was a very long award show. I had a performance and it was going all well, but next morning I had English exam. It was a genuine big 50-mark paper. So I was very worried that what is going to happen. I'm going to reach home late, then I'm have to sleep. In fact, we were coming out of the show, and then the producer or somebody from my team were like, no wait, but your category has not come yet. So then he convinced me, please stay, and then we stayed. And then the category came up and I won. So I was like, oh my god. So it was very mixed emotions wala night. So this is a recent award. This is from Style Awards 2021. I got Emerging Fashion Icon, and I was very happy about it because I have awards for dancing shows, I've got awards for acting, but this was for fashion, so it was really different. So I was very happy.
Which is your recent, एकदम अप्पी वाला जो award मिला है 2021 or something?
The most recent award that I've got is this one. So right now I have the certificate. It's Best Actress for a Social Cause Film, Am I Next? And it's from Boston Indian International Film Festival. This is actually so far the most important and big award for me. And film festivals mein, you know, there's no voting, there's nothing else. It's like strictly based on your skill or your acting and everything. So I was really nervous when I saw the nomination. I was like, oh my god, I'm not gonna win. But then I actually won. And I unfortunately couldn't go to Boston. They had invited me and my family there for the film festival to take the award, so I couldn't go, but then somebody from Boston is getting my award, so yay! That's my very special, and it's always going to be a big award for me. You know how some awards are more special than the others? Like my international award, it's very, very special for me because it's my first ever international award. Just like that, you know, ICC World Cup T20 is going on, and we all know that Mahi Chacho is the only captain who has won the 50-over World Cup. He has won the first T20 World Cup, and I really hope that under his mentorship and Virat Kohli's captaincy, this year we can bring the trophy home again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I absolutely love sharing my experience, my awards with y'all, and I have to say this, all my fans, thank you so much for always supporting me and giving me so much love. All of these awards, full credit to y'all. So thank you so much for watching the video, and stay tuned to Anushka on Strike. Yeah. Love going through these. It's too emotional and very nostalgic. This I got for Best Handwriting. Creator of the Year 2019. Wow bro, मजा ही आ जाता है लाइफ में. कभी मैं इतना अच्छा बोल देती हूँ ना एक बार.